Hey guys, how's it going? I've decided I want to keep a computer in the shop, but I don't have a place to keep it at the moment. I remembered seeing Jay Bates build his mobile stand-up computer desk a couple years ago and figured that would work well for me. So I jumped over to his website, jayscustomcreations.com, and purchased the plans for this project. Since the original design intent behind this desk was to build a cart that was compact and use up some scraps, I figured that would work best for me and got to work. Starting by, you guessed it, going through my scrap bin to get my material, then measuring and marking out my pieces to cut. Since it's a little too late in the night to be making too much noise now, I wait until the next day to get my pieces cut to size at the table saw. Before assembly, I break out the random orbit sander and sand everything down to 120 grit. It's a shop project, I'm not too worried about it being perfect. Then I assemble everything using glue and brad nails. I think the only thing that actually cost me anything extra on this project was the $4 casters that I installed to the bottom of the desk. A couple changes that I made to the desk was that I used 1/2 inch thick plywood where the plan specified 3/4, as well as mounting a soundbar on the back of the monitor stand, which I guess actually doesn't get a ton of use in my shop anymore since really I'm only using the Bluetooth hearing protection for the most part. And since plugins aren't necessarily abundant in my shop, I also install an extension cord reel to make it a little bit easier to have everything plugged in. Then I only have to plug in one thing to power my whole desk. With the Wi-Fi reception in my garage being not much better than a potato, I install a couple Wi-Fi antennas onto the desk. Now I have maybe 80% reception at the back of the garage, which is right here actually, where my phone typically drops out completely. And with that, I'm calling this project done. I'm not going to worry about putting any finish or anything on this. Again, it's a shop project. In the couple months I've had this desk, it's definitely been nice to have. I can whip up a quick 3D model to see if something I'm thinking of will work out, or if I have a project designed, I can use that for quick reference mid-project. If I ever get a CNC or laser or anything, I'll be able to use this computer to run it, though I might have to get a bigger shop if I get anything like that. I also listen to a lot of podcasts or music while I'm working, and my phone quite often dies on me before I'm done working for the night, so this has also been pretty good for that. Speaking of being done for the night, thank you guys for watching, and if you like what I'm doing here, subscribe for more. We will hopefully see you in the next video, and have a good one.